So in previous video, we had seen how to install Java. Now we will be installing an IDE which will help you in programming, and its name is Eclipse. So we'll install Eclipse. We'll type install Eclipse and go to eclipse.org. And from here, you will click on download. And once you click on this download, you will get an application like this. So I have already downloaded it to save time. This is Eclipse installer. This is not actual application. This is just an installer. So we will double click on it. So this installer is beginning. And if you face any difficulty, I'll post the link of my Telegram group in the description box. So from there, you can post your queries in our Telegram group. So once this Eclipse installer opens, you will select this first option, Eclipse ID for Java developers, and click on install. So if you see, this is downloading JRE 17 also, so it may take some time. So have patience and just wait. So it is installing here Eclipse. The users 430 is my username. Then Eclipse Java 2012. And also it is going to create a desktop shortcut for us. So once it is done, we will see a shortcut on desktop and we will directly use that only. I will pause this video for a bit. Let's get it download. Has been downloaded, and we can see a shortcut here. From next video, we will start creating our programs.